A millennial was fortunate enough to share a car ride with Warren Buffett and asked him if he had one piece of advice to help young people, what would it be? His answer was a simple way to double your net worth. What was it? Warren said, and I quote, "Invest in yourself. The easy way to become worth 50% or more than you are now is to hone your communication skills. Communication is key, both written and verbal. If you can't communicate, it's like winking at a girl in the dark. Nothing happens. You can have all the brain power in the world, but you have to be able to transmit it. And that transmission is communication." When Warren was young, he was terrified of public speaking. He wasn't alone. According to the National Institutes of Mental Health, 75% of Americans fear public speaking. Warren's fear was so great that he threw up before speaking in front of a class. He learned how to handle his fear, and it's telling. If you enter his office, you won't find any college diploma on the wall. You'll find a communication diploma from 1952 that he earned from the Dale Carnegie organization that helps people learn to speak in public. The scientific word for the fear of public speaking is glossophobia. It comes from the Greek words glossa, tongue, and phobos, dread or fear. Glossophobia affects both men and women in equal numbers, although men are more likely to seek treatment for it. What Buffett is saying is communication is the secret to success in the business world. If you can communicate, you can succeed and generate wealth. His advice is not an outlier. There are several studies that show improved financial status based on communication skills. So the next time you're assigned to do a presentation, don't sigh. Take it as an opportunity to learn how you can increase your wealth. And if you're really motivated to get used to speaking in front of people, start practicing on social media. Start a YouTube channel, Instagram, or TikTok where you can talk to your followers. That's it for today. If you're interested in entrepreneurship tips and tricks, like, subscribe, and ring the bell to be the first to know when a new video drops. I'll see you in the next vid. Ciao!